Hello and welcome to another video from oorail. In this video we're going to take a look at the Train Tech track tester. This is for, as you can see there, from multiple different gauges. And it works for DC, AC and DCC, and it's manufactured in the UK. And this product is actually one that Jim over at Trains and Railways brought to my attention. Jim's a really nice guy. Bought some Mach 3 coaches off him via eBay a little while ago. And he put me on to a couple of other products, and he was very accommodating. He was able to find some items I was looking for, and he's based up there in Scotland. So I got the order that I think he shipped off on Friday, and it's now Monday, and so it came pretty quickly by UPS. So I'd like to thank Jim for putting out this order to me, especially since he was suffering from the flu, so hope he gets better soon. So this is going to be the first of a couple of different videos we're going to do on some Train Tech products. I picked up this, some buffer lights, as well as some signals. So you can expect some pretty cool stuff over the next few days. So this is a pretty simple track tester. You can see there it works for DCC or AC. It turns light orange. And then for DC, the LED lights up red or green for polarity. And it's quite simple. You can see there you simply touch the track with it. So what we're going to go ahead and do is give it a try. So I'm going to open this from the wrapper, and then we'll give it a spin. Okay, so once you get it out of the outer packaging, you can see there that it's stuck on there with the sort of adhesive goo to the paper, sort of like your credit card. So we'll take that off in a second. Actually, I might just go ahead and take it off now so you can see the thing a little bit better. So go ahead and remove that. And then basically, you can see here you get a nice, pretty simple manual. Even note, it tells you basically that it contains the track tester, the instruction leaflet. Gives you all the different things. There's a warning there. Make sure you put the track tester in line with the rails as shown, because if twisted you could bypass the component and damage the LED. So yeah, basically you want to install it just like that. See, if you had it twisted you could short something out, so just basic common sense there. And it seems like a pretty nice product. And then on the back here you can see some of their other products. They have some DCC signals, they have some DCC signal controllers, and they have some DCC point controllers, and they have some self-assemble colored light signals. And these are the other things that I picked up. You see they're not quite as fancy as the DCC ones, but since we don't run DCC, it works well for me. And then they've got some lighting and effects controllers there for things like barriers, and of course the track tester. So next thing we're going to do is take a quick look at this. So you can see there, it's got the LED, and it's got your things for lining up the track. It's got two big metal plates. It's got this thing that was stuck on there for shipping. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to remove that or not, so I'm just going to leave that alone. I think it'll touch the rails with it on there. Yep, I'll just leave that alone. Okay, so I'm going to go turn the controller on. Or maybe if the controller, this one's already be on. So let's see what happens when I turn the controller on. So you can see there the polarity and the light changes depending on the way I switch it around. Now if I pick this up and put it the other way, I'm going to bet that it's going to light up green this time instead of red. So there it's green. Train coming. Now, over here the points are insulated, So if I put it here, it's going to still light green. Here the points aren't engaged, and these are insulfrog points, so it hasn't lit up. But if I come in here and switch it, you can see there it's now lighting up green. And if I switch this back, it turns off. So you can see there, you can use it to test your point operation. Now there's some insulated fish plates here. So if I put it back over here, let the train pass. And if I flick this back, it's not going to light green because it's on the other side of the insulated fish plates. If I put it back here, you can see it's lighting up green. And if I pick it up, put this back, you can see it's lighting up red because I now have reversive polarity on the board. So you see that it's a pretty cool, quick and easy way to test the track. So I've got a whole bunch of track that I'm currently laying over here, and a new section of the layout that's going down. So I'll make pretty good use of this. It's a pretty good investment for under £5. So you can see there, it's got the lining up for the track, and the back, it's got no plates. So it's a pretty slick little tool. So, one thing you can see here, if I put it in the camera, maybe it'll focus on it. That's not going to do. So on the bottom here, you can see it says red and green. So for the red side, you got plus on this side, minus on this side for the green. Now my other finger here on the left hand side, the red is minus and the green is plus. If you're not so sure about the polarity, you just pop this down on here. Okay, so here you see it's red, so this track rail here is a plus, and this rail here is a negative. Pop that back out. So on this time the green, the negative is on the side because I've turned it around. I put it over there, you can see the lights of green, this rail is still negative. So this is a very useful tool, especially if you want to figure out the polarity. It's very simple, easy to understand. You can use it to test points without having to use a train to test it. So it's a very good investment.